I think I know what's happening. Devil gave you powers.
Wait, what? A devil?
Yes,
How you know about this, Gorgon?
I have many powers.
What's happening, guys?
Actually,
Let me tell him, Gorgon. So Japan. Some entity gave me France and Nazi some powers. And because of those we were powerful. And now I got to know that entity was devil.
Wow. First mythical creatures. Now devil.
and you know what? Devil is observing Ottoman Empire energy, and sadly Ottoman Empire will lose his body.
Wait, what?
I wasn't expecting this.
Hey, please save me. Hey, please save me.
I am not strong and auto-save you. Goodbye.
Please. No.
We lost Ottoman Empire.
This is just the starting, Japan. Devil destroy everything wherever he go. So how we gonna win this fight? We have to meet Wolf. He is in Sri Lanka right now.
Okay, let's go.
Meanwhile,
This island is too small for me. Japan or Penguin go inside and bring Wolf out.
I will go inside.
You stay with me, Penguin. Actually, I have some work. I will come back soon, Gorgon. This penguin is still loyal towards the Dragon King. But who cares? This penguin is not that powerful. We can defeat Devil without him too.
shout out to